Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a refreshing mint drink. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. Fresh mint leaves are absolutely crucial for that vibrant, invigorating flavor we all love. You'll also need a sweetener, perhaps 2 tablespoons of sugar or a simple syrup, to balance the taste. Don't forget about 1/4 cup of water and plenty of ice, which are fundamental for a truly refreshing beverage. Finally, consider adding a touch of citrus, like 1/2 of a lime, for an extra zing. Now, let's move on to the simple preparation steps. First, gently muddle about 10 fresh mint leaves in your glass or a small bowl. This action helps to release their wonderful aromatic oils, which are key to the drink's flavor. Next, combine 2 tablespoons of your chosen sweetener with a small amount of water, ensuring it dissolves completely. Then, add your muddled mint and the fresh juice from 1/2 of a lime to this mixture. Stir everything together well for about 30 seconds to ensure all the flavors meld beautifully. With your mint mixture ready, it's time to craft your delightful drink. Begin by filling a tall glass with plenty of ice cubes. This ensures your beverage is perfectly chilled and refreshing. Carefully pour the prepared mint mixture directly over the ice in the glass. Next, top off the glass with about 6 ounces of either still or sparkling water, depending on your preference for fizz. For a final touch, garnish your drink with a fresh mint sprig and a thin slice of citrus, making it visually appealing. Finally, let's explore ways to enhance your mint drink and make it truly your own. Don't hesitate to experiment with different types of mint, such as spearmint or peppermint, for unique taste profiles. Always adjust the sweetness level to perfectly suit your personal preference, adding more or less as desired. For an extra layer of flavor, consider adding fruit slices like refreshing cucumber or sweet berries. And if you enjoy a bit of effervescence, simply use club soda or sparkling water instead of still water for a delightful fizz.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.